In this video, I will share the 5 daily activities that are essential for network marketing success. Whether you are just getting started in our profession or you already have a substantial team, these are the things you must do each and every day, no matter what network marketing business you are in. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I help people just like you have massive success in network marketing. One of the big challenges for all network marketers is managing their time each day. And that's what this video is all about. Stick with me. So let's get right to it. And I will introduce these critical daily activities in their order of importance. And yes, they are all important, but if I had to do all 5 today, this is the order I would tackle them in. First on the list is following up when a team member reaches out for help. Not just because it's the right thing to do. See, I tell people when you join our team, I will help you personally, but because your long-term income depends on it. The way you make substantial, long-term passive income in network marketing is by not just helping people join your team, but helping them have long-term success too. Now, team members may reach out to me by phone, email, or text. Some of my international team members, it's by Telegram. However it is, it's important that I leverage my time helping them. So rather than spend 15 minutes explaining something, I direct them to one of our tools. See, our team has an excellent training website. Typically, I'll refer them to a video that answers their question. Now, not only does this leverage my time, but it teaches them to do the same thing too. Make following up with team members number 1 on your daily activity. The next critical activity on the list is following up with prospects. And if you don't, someone else will. Trust me, when someone is looking at your opportunity, they can quickly find another sponsor on Google. Prompt follow-up is essential. Third on the list is your lead generating activities like creating content. I post new videos almost daily. I send several email blasts to my list each week. In addition to the automated follow-up emails, I work on these activities every day, but only after my follow-ups are done. Don't get me wrong, generating a volume of fresh leads is essential. In fact, when a team member tells me they are not having the success they are hoping for, a lack of fresh leads is usually the problem, but follow-ups are even more important. The next daily activity would be updating my content. I constantly monitor email performance, run split tests, and adjust subject lines, calls to action, and body copy. I perform similar activities with landing pages and bridge pages. These are all important, but notice where they fall on my list. The last daily activity for network marketing success is furthering my education. I'm always on the hunt for new strategies, additional product knowledge, and more. Notice this is at the bottom of my list of 5 critical activities though. And these last 2 activities are where many brand new network marketers get themselves in trouble. They put these at the top of their list in the beginning of their career. Don't let your new people do that. Get them into action and help them learn while they earn. I hope this helps you have more success in your network marketing business. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. And I encourage you to learn more about working with me and my number 1 recommended network marketing opportunity. Just imagine what it would be like to use a powerful online marketing system and be personally mentored by an industry leader with decades of experience. Take our online tour now at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Thanks for watching. We'll talk again soon.